How to share others' TikTok video on my TikTok account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can share others' TikTok video on my TikTok account. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you wish to share other people's TikTok video within your own TikTok account, it's quite simple. Now there are two ways to do this. The first is you can directly download that video by tapping the share icon, saving that video and re-uploading it. But that is actually called copyright and you're not allowed to do it unless the creator allows you to do so. But you can still share and post someone's video to your profile in a form of repost. So when you repost a video, you can find it in your profile when you come to profile and go to the repost section of all the videos you've reposted. So to repost a certain video, which means to share it to your profile, tap the share icon on the bottom right, then go to the option called repost. As and when you've done that, that video will be reposted and it will be shown on the repost page of your TikTok app. This way we can share others' TikTok video too on my TikTok account. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.